Today we're going to be learning how to make a book with a hole. It uses a die cut technique simulation by cutting out paper by hand. So let's get started. So this is the book that I made as an example. It's about making a character book, and you're going to put your face through your hole, and each thing that you write down is going to be a character trait about yourself represented through the way that you choose in art. So this video is just basically to demonstrate how to make the actual book. So I'm going to start with 3 sheets of printer paper. You're going to fold it hamburger and match up the corners perfectly so you have a nice perfect book. Increase the edges there so it looks like that. The next step is to draw a large semicircle on the folded part of the paper. So you see these pages are here. It's on the binding that you draw it along. So I'm just going to use a pencil and do your best to take up most of the page while still leaving enough room on the corners for hole punches. So I'm just going to draw little circles for the hole punches just to make a guideline, so you can see. So I'd go around that so that the thing will be big enough for your face. So just sketch out a nice semicircle so that when you open up each page, it'll be a full circle, like so. Actually, maybe let me make this a little bigger, just in case. Okay, so that's that part. Now you're going to take a nice pair of scissors, if I could find them, and cut right along that line that you made while keeping the pages together. So that it goes all through all the papers. So you end up with a funky looking thing like this, which is what your book's going to look like. So now you're going to want to take a hole punch, or if you don't have a hole punch, you can just use scissors and make little holes. You're going to line it up with those little holes you drew. Okay, 1 hole punched. And 2 hole punched, like that. And then you're going to use some sort of string. I used curled tissue paper. I just kind of rolled it up. And you're going to string it together to make a book like this. And when you open it up, it'll be like this. And that's how you make the book with the hole. So now the second part you're going to do is, once you have the book constructed, you're going to choose some sort of title for the front. I did Amazing Aubrey because it's an adjective and we're learning about adjectives. So you're going to choose an adjective for each page. Bubbly, strong, or brave. Doesn't matter how many you pick for each page. Passionate. And that's how you're going to make your book. So that each adjective you choose to represent yourself is represented through your art in a book. So that's the tutorial on how to make a characteristic face with the hole.